Okay, so let's say that I am homozygous recessive, then that would be two of the same of the little guys, okay? And then I could say that I would be heterozygous, so that'd be like 1A little a. So to make a Punnett square, what you're gonna do is take one parent and put it on the top and one other parent and put it on the side. And it doesn't matter which one. So say that this is your mom. We're gonna put mom here, the two letters there. And then say this is the dad. You'd put the big A here and the little a here. Okay, so for a Punnett square, all you're gonna do is drag them down and drag them over. So if I have this little a, I would drag him down. So I'd put little a there and a little a there. Same here, little a, and I drag him over. Okay, big A there and a big A there because he's dragging over, little a right there and right there. Okay, so if say that this is a dominant disease, remember we only need one copy of the big guy in order to have the disease. So I would see two kids that have the big A, so that would be 50% have disease if it's dominant, okay, and 50% would not, right? So you can do the same thing, and if it's recessive, then remember we need to have the little guy. So I would look at this and I'd have little a, so I would have 50% with disease, which is the little a, and then I'd have 50% that would be a carrier, okay? Now, if we do this again and we have a recessive disease and we have one parent that has the disease and one parent that does not, again, we do little a, big A, carry down. So this would be little a, carry down, little a, carry over, big A, from carrying over. So we have 100% that would be big A, little a. If, again, this is recessive, then that would be 100% carriers, okay? If this was a dominant disease, okay, and again, they have to tell you in the actual question, but if this was dominant, remember we only need one copy in order to have the disease. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be 100% that would express the disease because if it's dominant, you only need one copy, okay? So if we have big A, little a, again, carry this down, carry this guy down, carry him over, and carry this guy over. So if it was a dominant disease, 75% would have it. If it was a recessive disease, only 25% would have it. And 2 out of 4, which is 50%, would be the carrier.